3 strange facts about snoring. The loudest snore ever recorded hit 111.6 decibels, louder than a chainsaw. That's enough sustained noise to cause permanent hearing damage. You cannot snore while dreaming. Snoring only happens in non-REM sleep. The instant REM begins and dreams start, the snoring stops completely. Playing the didgeridoo is a clinically proven snoring treatment. A BMJ study found regular players cut snoring severity significantly. The circular breathing tones throat muscles. What's the strangest thing you've ever tried to stop snoring? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more strange facts like this. That's your fact snacks.